Hello friends, this is a video that will show you how to create a matrix clock by Node MCU. I created it by a normal toothpaste packet, and it shows the temperature and the time, which will update on by Wi-Fi NTP server. And here is a light sensor which is controls the brightness. You can see the brightness is low now. Okay, now brightness is high. And here is one sensor that is detect the temperature. It shows two temperature. One is indoor, which detects this, and other is outdoor. You can see here is the indoor temperature, this is the outdoor temperature, and the outdoor temperature captured from the NTP server. Okay, so how you do that, how you make this? It's very simple, no need to coding, no need to anything. Just you need a file. I'll upload this file in my description. I'll put the link. Okay, download from there. You got this file, this ESP8262 Wi-Fi matrix. Just open it and you will find these files. Okay, the connections and the circuit you'll find in here. Okay, 1 second, first I have to extract because it's a zip file. Okay, I extracted it here. Now I open and picture. In the picture you can see the pictures. It has already a video, but they did not described clearly in this video, so I decided to create a new video to clear it you guys. Okay, these components you need. Okay, 4 matrix. Okay, 4 display, 1 2 3 4 display matrix, 1 node MCU. Okay, ESP module. Okay, 1 light sensor LDR, and 1 TS18B20. I think this model you can find it from online. Okay, it looks like a transistor, but it is a IC sensor. It detects the temperature. Its one pin is positive, middle pin is data, and the final last pin is ground, and some jumper wires. That's all. And you need a data cable to connect and upload the code to the node MCU. Okay, you can create it by 3D printer or any others. Just like here you can see, you can build it like this. I just built like a simple okay. So the connections, how to connect, you can see here. Okay, here's the connections, see most clearly from here. It is a node MCU points. Here is a 3.3 volt. Here is the ground. Okay, here's the data pin 3. Is the A0 pin, which will detect the light sensor. This is the LDR. Okay, this is the LDR. This is a 10K register. This goes to the ground, and the LDR 1 point is goes to the positive. Okay, and the other pin LDR which connect to the resistance, and the both connection pin is goes to the data to A0 analog 0 pin. Okay, or ADC pin. Okay, this is the connection for light sensor, and the other connection is for this IC, this light temperature sensor, which will one connected to the positive, another connected to the negative ground, and the middle, the out data out pin is connected to the a resistance which will go to the positive, and this data pin will go to the D3 pin. Okay, simply connect, no any complications over here. Okay, and this is the LED matrix points. Is the 5 points. One is voltage, second is ground, and these three pin is data, that is data in. This is the load or CS, and this is clock. Okay, which will connect to the data is connected to the D7, load or CS is connected to the D4, and clock is connected to the D5. Okay, just simple. You can see the another picture, but here is no resistance. I use no resistance in here in the temperature sensor, but you can use it for more accuracy. Okay, now close it. Okay, no need of. Now how you upload? Many of people thoughts that if they upload this INO file, web updates, but I tried many times uploading this code to the node MCU, but no works. This is only the settings, no code in the for the clock or temperature here. Okay, this is only the Wi-Fi settings. You do not need this for now. Okay, you do not need. You just need this 2.7 point beam file. This file you need, and this software for flashing this bin file to the node MCU. Okay, this file you needed to flashing, and this is a tool, just like mobile tool, flashing tool. Just double click on it, it will open this. Okay, and here is the COM port that I connected the node MCU. Okay, COM port 15. Okay, and leave this field what it is, don't change anything. Here is the path, here is the link where you have to put the link of the file, the path of the file, bin file here. Okay, how would you find the path? Just select, right click on the properties of this bin file, go to the details, go to the security, and here is the object name. Select this full, select copy from here and paste it over here. Here's the bin path is uploaded. Now go to the operation and click on flash, and it started the flashing. Okay, and it is stuck in here because it's flashing mode. Okay, it is flashing, so please wait. In this bin file, the all codes and data are saved. Just flash this bin file and you are done. No need that web update.ini file. it's about to complete and it's finished. You can see that node MCU team is green tick. That means this file is uploaded to the node MCU, and it still stuck in here, so you have to reset or reconnect the power. Okay, now just reconnect the power. Trying to connect Wi-Fi. Okay, and how will you connect the Wi-Fi? You're showing 5 dots, 5 or 6 dots. It says continuously connect to the clock matrix operation. HTTP 191 something address is showing. Now how will you do? You need a mobile phone. Okay, so here is a go to the Wi-Fi. You can see that name what's showing on here. Okay, and you have to connect this. It will just connect it, no required any password or anything, and automatically open a setting in Chinese language. Okay, it says Wi-Fi setting, so you need to connect this node MCU to your active Wi-Fi, which will provide the internet, and it will connect to the internet. Now it is not connected to the internet. You have to connect it to the internet, but you can do it from this. You have to do from your mobile phone. So I don't understand this Chinese language. It is also showing there was a it is showing that connection failed to Wi-Fi zone, that is SSID of my active Wi-Fi. So set Wi-Fi, click on set Wi-Fi. It is so just click on set Wi-Fi, and here is the field where you have to fill the SSID and the password of your active Wi-Fi. Okay, so here is a field. You can just fill directly, or it will search automatically your active Wi-Fi. Here over here you can see this free Wi-Fi zone. Just selecting this, and you have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, and save it. When you save it, it's showing that Wi-Fi clock is trying to connect, please wait, and it is okay. Free Wi-Fi zone, open settings page, HTTP 192.168.0.102. Here it shows one IP address, one address that you have to open in this browser, and before that you have to connect same Wi-Fi. You have to connect same. Okay, same Wi-Fi already connected again in this phone. Okay, same Wi-Fi means my active free Wi-Fi zone. Okay, now we have to go to the browser. Okay, open a new tab. You can see here, type 192.168.0.102. okay, and go. When you hit in go, you can see some options here. And here's some settings. You can select a time zone. You can select your weather API for temperature, sensing temperature. Here is the API for weather. You can find it of the openweathermap.com. Here is the link .org, openweathermap.org, and you have to put the location ID, a city ID or location ID on here. Okay, and here is the display setting. In the display setting, you can change the font, you can change the 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. So the second, the scrolling animation of the second, you can change it up to down or down to up is the option. And here will show the 4-digit or 2-digit or no. You can select anything. Okay, and other settings, you can change the room temperature, which will sense the temperature sensor. You can adjust it from here, plus minus anything. And here is the brightness setting, which I selected auto brightness. If you add a LDR or brightness sensor in here, select it yes. If you don't add it, just select it no. And if you don't add any temperature sensor, just go here, and here show temperature, select here, and show only internet temperature, this option. And if you add a sensor, and select room temperature or all temperature will show your room temperature and the outdoor temperature both. And you can send any text to here. You can see, I'm trying to write something in here. You can select the times that the message will show. Okay, now send. You can see my channel name. It will show 3 times. And the brightness will automatically controlled by the light, because this time I have to just can see the brightness is going down and going up. Okay, this is so simple. And here is the software update option. You can see the softwares, the bin files versions over here. Current version is 2.7. If there are any update software they upload, it will automatically update that OTA update, just like mobile version update. It will automatically detect and automatically update the software. So that's all. That is the video. I hope it will help you. The video is going too long, so you can change your language. If you want to Chinese, then you can select your Chinese or English. For first time, I think you can see all the things are Chinese, so select, change this language the language will okay. And you can use Google Chrome, that will help you the language translate. So first thing, you just change the language over here. Okay, you can restart it just pressing this and erase Wi-Fi info and restart. Means full wipe the node MCU. It will erase your Wi-Fi settings. You have to again follow that step, what I showed. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.